Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord door panel. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent damage. Before starting, make sure your window is completely lowered. This provides better access and helps prevent accidental damage. Now, let's identify and remove any small covers or visible screws on the door panel. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. Carefully use your trim tool to pry open the small cover located behind the interior door handle. This will reveal a Phillips head screw that needs to be removed. Then, look inside the armrest or pull handle. You'll typically find one or two more Phillips head screws there. Also, gently remove any small triangular trim pieces near the mirror, as they are usually just clipped in. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Take your plastic trim tool and gently begin prying around the edges of the door panel, starting from the bottom. You'll hear the plastic clips releasing as you work your way around. Once all the clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action disengages it from the window channel and the door lock mechanism. Finally, with the panel loose, you'll need to disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switches, mirror controls, and the door handle cable. These usually have small tabs to press. Once everything is unplugged, carefully set the door panel aside where it won't be damaged. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and every clip and screw is properly fastened. Take your time for a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.